Cut to clarity. Concise finance writing made simple. Welcome. Today we'll sharpen your finance writing so busy readers get the point fast. In finance, people skim under pressure. Traders, analysts, and executives scan for signals, not stories. Short text reduces misreads and operational errors because there's less room for ambiguity and copy-paste mistakes. When your message is clear and concise, stakeholders trust your numbers, auditors see your logic, and compliance teams approve faster. Think of concise writing as risk control. Fewer words, fewer ways to be misunderstood. By the end, you'll write tighter updates that inform decisions in seconds, not minutes. Start with a speed draft to capture the core message before perfection slows you down. Write in plain, simple sentences. Subject, verb, result. Keep one idea per sentence or bullet, so each line can stand alone in a quick skim. If you're missing details, use placeholders like date, rate, or USDX million and keep moving, no polishing yet. Example: revenue rose X% in Q2, driven by subscription growth. Then, costs increased Y% due to cloud spend. Speed first, style later. You can't edit what isn't written. Now delete anything that doesn't change meaning. Remove fillers, very, really, in order to, due to the fact that. Replace wordy nouns with strong verbs. Write, analyze, not conduct an analysis. Estimate, not make an estimation. Eliminate duplicated context. You don't need to restate the same risk 3 times. Drop obvious disclaimers like, as you already know, or, it should be noted that. Example before. It is important to note that the team conducted an analysis. After, the team analyzed the data. Cleaner, faster, safer. Use standard terms only when they add precision. EBITDA, basis points, free cash flow. If a plain word works, use it. Swap long phrases for short ones. Prior to right pointing arrow before, subsequent to right pointing arrow after, with respect to right pointing arrow about. When you introduce an acronym, define it once, then use it consistently. Net present value, NPV, right pointing arrow NPV thereafter. Avoid house slang or internal nicknames that confuse readers outside your team. The goal is a shared vocabulary that speeds decisions, not insider language that slows them down. Lead with a number and action so results jump out. Revenue up 12%. Costs down 8%. Keep formats and units consistent. Choose USD or EUR, millions or thousands, and stick to them. Use the same decimal places across a section. Compare like with like, year over year with year over year, not YoE versus quarter over quarter in the same sentence. Avoid mixed bases. Don't compare headcount to FTE percentages without conversion. Example: Q2 revenue rose 12% YoY to $48.3 million United States dollars. Gross margin expanded 180 bits per second to 41.2%. Clean, comparable, decision-ready. Run a Redline pass to tighten every line. Shorten sentences to 12 to 18 words. Split long ones into 2. Replace weak pairs with one strong verb. Instead of make an improvement, write improve. Instead of provide an explanation, write explain. Look for preposition chains and cut them. Read the draft aloud. If you run out of breath or lose the thread, the sentence is too long or the logic is off. Example fix. Given the fact that market conditions were volatile, becomes because markets were volatile. Crisp writing survives skimming. Before sending, proof for risk and tone. Flag absolute claims like guaranteed, will, or zero risk. Add if, when conditions and ranges. If rates rise, NIM may expand 10 to 20 bits per second. Verify compliance language. Disclose assumptions, data sources, and timeframes. Cite the model version and cutoff date when relevant. Keep tone neutral. Lead with facts, then measured interpretation. Example: we expect demand to improve becomes orders increased 9% in July. If seasonality holds, demand may improve in Q3. Balanced language protects credibility. Use this quick checklist to lock in concision. 1. Cut 10 to 30% of words without losing meaning. Trim fillers, repeats, and softeners. 2. Ensure every sentence answers whose, /what, how much, and when, if relevant. If it doesn't, rewrite or remove it. 3. Make headlines and bullets carry the message. A busy reader should grasp the takeaway from headings alone. Example headline: Q2 margin up 180 bits per second. Costs down 8%. If your before/after shows sharper headlines, tighter numbers, and fewer caveats, not fewer facts, you're ready to hit send.